What's good, 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 my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you, what's goody, what's good? Hey guys, I wanted to say shout out to everybody that's still joining TCP and joining all the other programs, Best Easy Work, MCA, Power Mining Pool. Guys, the list goes on, and just shout out to everybody. Last night we had a fun night at WWE. My family's a WWE family. The network has had me by the ass for the past, 2 years? I guess since it's been out, 3 years. I don't know how long shit's been out, but we watch every pay-per-view event. And the thing was, I used to have, before I had DirecTV again, I actually went to Uverse. And what I would do, I would always order all the pay-per-view events. And it was like 50-something bucks a pop, man. And the thing is, I was like, that shit's killing me. So it makes sense for me to get the damn network, where it was $9 a month, and I'm getting everything where I can watch a lot of the classic stuff, a lot of the throwback stuff that I liked as a kid, also growing up when I was a WWE fan. But on top of that as well, I wanted to also say something. I've been watching in the news a lot. I've been watching in the news a lot of jobs closing, man. Like, every time you look around left and right, it is jobs closing. Big names, like around, I'm in Kissy, so they just shut down Harley Davidson, man. A lot of people, a big bike manufacturer, man. One of the places they build the bikes at here in Kansas City, they're closing it up, man. So leaving a lot of people out of work. I was watching on the news a place that makes is it Dove soap in Kansas City, man. They're closing. So I'm like, damn. Where else I was reading? The Independence Mall. It's a mall that's closing because of the competition. Because of the damn competition. So that's why the malls are closing. Because you got online retail. You got people that's popping up, that's doing Amazon and stuff like that. And man, it's crazy, dude. So what is your plan? What is your plan? Like, what are you doing online to make money? Are you still running around talking about things are a scam? Go get a job. It's so funny, man. It's funny when we post these groups, or, you might have some asshole to get on there and say, man, well, the thing go get a job, and it's always an asshole to do it. But look around, the jobs are fucking closing, man, and doing layoffs. So you can't even depend on jobs no more, guys. You gotta learn how to go out here and get this money. Literally get this money, man. And one company that you can definitely do that with is MCA and TCP. I'm just going to put it out there. The Motor Club of America and the Conversion Pros. Why am I saying this? Because Motor Club of America, they offer pretty much they offer unlimited roadside service / assurance. That's right, unlimited roadside service / assurance. Because they offer more than, roadside service. They offer credit card protection. They offer discounts on hotel stays, rentals, discounts on prescription drugs, RX drugs. We have legal representation, hospital stay benefits, just to name a few. And then the thing is that they pay you $80 per referral. So instead of going out and paying large advertising dollars like some of the other companies do, are they a scam? Or let me ask you this. Other companies that offer referral programs where they say if you go out and refer people to you, we're going to put money on a Visa card, or we're going to give you a Visa card, or we're going to give you this amount of money off your bill. Don't that sound like some type of referral or some type of comp plan? I think it does. Or if you scroll at the bottom of a lot of these large websites and you look at the bottom of them, they say affiliates. Think about it, man. Think about it. But the Conversion Pros is pretty much a marketing system that does all the selling and telling for MCA. So when someone asks you about your business, you have something that actually works for you 24/7, that explains everything, that does follow-up messages, that's also going to sit there and also going to allow you to duplicate. So when people do join you, and they're like, hey man, I like exactly what you got, you can give them all the same stuff that you got. Okay? And the only thing we do is go out here and we tell people about a benefit package that helps you and your family stay protected on and off the road. We have marketing material, we have trainings, we have everything to help you guys out. But it's just, do you want to put in the work? Are you willing to put in the work? So how much money can you make? They pay $80 per referral, so $80 to $1,000+ a week. You hear what I'm saying? So I have people making $5,000 on up, $2,000 on up, $3,000 on up, you name it. But we say 80 on up, man, because it's $80 per referral. Okay? Now, just as an FYI, it is free to be an agent with this company. But to be a part, to actually have the membership, you do have to purchase the membership. The membership is $40 up front, and then from there it's $19 a month, $5 a week, guys. $5 a week, $19 a month to have the benefits, over $150,000 worth of benefits that you're gonna get, and you're gonna also be allowed to go out here and make an additional income with it. We don't cap you off at the amount of people you can bring in. There's no cap off. So the thing is that I have everything designed that's gonna help you make money. The thing is, I just want you to lock in, man. Lock arms with me. We have Facebook groups designed to help you out, to show you that there's a lot of people involved in this business, man. This company's been around since 1926. They're based out of Oklahoma. Now, just as one thing here, it's only for the USA and Canada, okay? It is not worldwide, but the Conversion Pros is worldwide because the marketing system is also designed to help other marketers and other businesses. So, you know, if you have other things that you are doing and you just want to add this to your portfolio, very important, old lady. I forgot what I was saying. But pretty much here, guys, so sky's the limit. The marketing system pretty much is designed because you might have other things that you are doing outside and you just want to add this to your portfolio and, you know, earn a $25 residual income. Now, I didn't touch much on that one, so it's free for the first 7 days for your marketing system, okay? So I'm giving you my whole game plan. The marketing system is free for 7 days, so you can definitely try it out. You don't like the actual marketing system I use. I do have free things, but I just, you know, I like to be honest. The free doesn't convert as well as things that you can pretty much design and brand yourself that I help you with, we help you with. So it's $50 a month for the marketing system, which is pretty much going to have everything. If you want to check out some of my previous videos, you can definitely check out the previous videos as far as the marketing system goes. But it's $50 a month and $19 a month for your MCA program. So guys, that much, it's under $100 to run your business per month. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So just wanted to wrap this up, man. It's your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful